So it is Luxury Fred, and I am actually inside one of my favorite hotel suites in the entire world, and probably one of the largest and most spectacular hotel suites in all the world. I am in the Penthouse suite at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco, and this is just the billiard room. So I'm going to give you a tour of this entire 6,000 square foot penthouse suite, and it's amazing. Okay, again, Luxury Fred here at the spectacular penthouse suite of the Fairmont San Francisco. Let me give you a tour. Let's start here in the living room. Isn't this incredible? So this is a 6,000 square foot suite. It takes up the entire top floor of the hotel. It was built in the 1920s. It wasn't quite built when the hotel was built, and it was actually built for a rich guest that said, if you build me an enormous suite on top of the hotel, I'll pay you a lot of money to stay there. So that was how it started, and then eventually that guy moved out, and that was, I think his name was Mr. Flood, and different families that owned the hotel lived here, but the suite's also been lent to all kinds of celebrities from JFK to movie stars and things like that. Anyone that stayed in San Francisco. So again, they have a lot of events here, so sometimes they change the furniture around. So we have this enormous living room, beautiful artwork on the walls, amazing views of the city from every angle. And show you kind of one of the main features, which is a beautiful terrace right out here. As I've often said, it's not really a crazy luxury suite unless it has a grand piano, which Latrice will be playing later. So one of the big features of the suite is this incredible penthouse with these picture-perfect views of the financial district and the San Francisco skyline down there. You can sit out here, you can have dinner, you can have drinks, and enjoy the incredible view. This is the formal dining room of the penthouse suite. In case you don't know, the United Nations Charter was created and signed here at the hotel, and they had a big dinner in this room hosted by President Harry Truman, where they celebrated the signing of the Charter for the United Nations. Just incredible fireplace, and you know, I don't know what to say. It's truly one of the most incredible suites in the world. These are the original plates where they had that dinner with President Truman, with the Fairmont logo on them and the gold trim. Limoges porcelain from France. Moving on into the full commercial sized kitchen here. So you have both actual guests that stay in the penthouse suite, and then you also have weddings and big events and parties. So you have a combination of kind of personal appliances, a coffee maker and stove and refrigerator and wine refrigerator as well. And then you have a commercial side as well here with commercial refrigerator and freezer for big catering and big events. Moving on, this is a 3-bedroom suite altogether. So this is the smallest of the bedroom. It was smallest of the bedrooms. It was originally once one of the children's bedrooms for the family that lived here. Beautiful hand-painted mural of the world on the walls that is original to the suite from 1927, I think it is. Continuing on the tour to the library. The library, which also has a celestial ceiling with the different constellations up there. And that does, it either lights up or it kind of glows in the dark when you turn the lights off. So you have all these incredible antique books, And then Latrice is going to stay down here, and I'm going to show you a secret. Okay, now I'm up here. Hello! So this is the second floor of the library, and this has a secret. So if you're staying here, and say you're maybe the President of the United States, and maybe you have a lady friend that's visiting, and maybe your wife appears at the front door of the hotel, and maybe you need a way for your lady friend to escape discreetly out the back. Fortunately, this suite has that. So you have, looks like a bookcase and all that up here, but if you're like me and you know the secret, this opens up and there's a secret door to the outside here. So you can make your escape, or your secret guests could make their escape as well. So very cool feature. And then it closes back up. You never know it was there. Okay, so there's even more. Can you believe that? There's more. So if we head this way, I will show you the master suite. So first I'll show you, I'll finish with the master suite. Let me show you this suite. This is kind of the second biggest suite. Again, this is all part of the penthouse suite. This is the second biggest bedroom here. So we have nice big space and big, beautiful bathroom in here. Very nice fit and finish on these suites. Love the beautiful fixtures and things like that at the on the vanity. And this suite also has, if you're looking for closet space, this suite has this enormous closet that goes the whole length of the wall. And then, perhaps saving the best for last, we have the master bedroom, fit for a king or a queen or a princess or whoever. This enormous 4-poster bed. Pretty cool, huh? And then this suite has one of the most beautiful bathrooms of any hotel suite. You have a little dressing area over here with the closet space, and then look at this bathtub in here. Okay, so we have a big bathtub, and then we have a shower over here, an enormous party shower over here, and something cool. This is a mirror, and it's also a flat screen TV. So you can have it as a mirror, or you can turn it on, and then we have the commode in here, which has its own nice view as well. So if you use the bidet, you have a very nice view of San Francisco. So that concludes the tour. This was a long one, but I think you'll agree there's a lot to see here. Again, this is the fabulous penthouse of the Fairmont San Francisco, which is a great place to stay here atop Nob Hill. And of course, with all this luxury, you also get great Fairmont service, which I think is very important to note as well. So it's Luxury Fred. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and like the video, click like, and please subscribe to my channel to see all my great luxury travel videos.